Hi guys, today I wanted to show you a little video about how to pair your Bluetooth speaker to your Amazon Alexa. Now there is a way to do it that looks fairly obvious, but it isn't actually that straightforward unless you actually know what you're looking for. So I thought that I'd go through a quick tutorial just to show you how to do it. Now the Alexa is on, and also I have here a Bluetooth speaker which I'm also going to turn on now. Turn that on there. And you'll go into pairing mode. That's what pairing mode means for this particular speaker. You'll have to find out how the pairing mode works for your particular Bluetooth speaker. So once I've got that, I then need to go into my phone and I go into the Amazon Alexa app. Now, oh, I'm sorry, didn't mean to do that.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Yes, I know. I'll turn that off for a moment. Okay, so what you need to do now is what you might think you would need to do is go into devices and go into all devices, or even just add a device here, and then you scroll down to the speakers, and if you don't have one of those ones you just go for other and discover devices. Now that would seem the most straightforward way of doing it. However, that doesn't work, because although the speaker is here and it's nearby and everything like that, you're asking it to do a general search for all of the Amazon Echoes or whatever it is you have in the house, the actual app itself. So you're not actually connecting it to any particular device that you have, so of course it won't find anything. So what you need to do is go into your devices again. So you need to go into your Echo and Alexa devices, and then we've got quite a few on here. Go into the Echo Dot, not that one. Go into the Echo Dot, which is the Office Echo Dot, which I've got here, which is the one I've got here. And on this list here, you'll see it says Bluetooth devices. Now when you touch that, it'll take a couple of seconds to load up. You'll find that it will have no devices currently connected to this particular Echo Dot. So you need to pair a new device, and you'll see, if I show you the flashing light there, you'll search, and there it is, it's found this Bluetooth speaker. So what we need to do now is touch it, and it will say that it's pairing, and then it will pair up the device. Now it might be a bit loud because the volume doesn't go, it goes quite high.
Connected to RC101 BT. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my speaker.
And there you have it. So now it's all connected up. So now in future, whenever you ask for something, or if you play any music, you'll get it coming through your Bluetooth speaker. Now in the same way, you can also disconnect it from this particular device if you have more than one, and you can also get it to forget the device, so it'll forget the Bluetooth speaker, and this will go back into pairing mode, as you can see there. Now there is another option, of course, that you can use on this as well, and that is to go into devices and then to go into all devices and add a device, and you've got the option here of multi-room speakers. Now the multi-room speakers option, you need to have a different speaker connected to your different Echo Dots. So if you've got more than one, you need to have a speaker connected to each one, and you can then set up this routine which will allow you to play music in every area, every room of the house, or every area of the house that has an Echo Dot and a speaker attached to it. So that's quite good if you want to play music throughout the whole house, but you need to have a speaker connected up to each Echo Dot to do that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. If you have anything else that you need to know in terms of the Alexa, or anything else in terms of how to use it or the features that it has, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. And until next time, thank you very much. Goodbye.